Sine qua non. It means a prerequisite, an essential condition, a thing that is absolutely necessary, a necessary condition without which something is not possible. In Latin, it means without which not. Sine means without, qua means which, non means not. When something is sine qua non for something, then that thing can't exist without that sine qua non, or it is the essential thing which is required for the existence of some other thing. For example, water is sine qua non for life, and sunlight is sine qua non for life on earth. Sine qua non is a formal term, and it was used originally in legal contexts. For example, when we want to rule out some evidence and its sine qua non is not present, so we can say that that event can't happen. But nowadays it is also used in some other contexts. For example, in business, like a solid customer base is the sine qua non to success. A good agent is a sine qua non for an actor's career. His sport was really the sine qua non for her candidacy. It is used as noun. For example, reliability is a sine qua non for success. Development of industry is sine qua non for development of country. So, country can't develop without development of industry. So, development of industry is a sine qua non for development of the country. Patience is sine qua non for this job.
Famous saying by Robert T. Heinlein. For me, politeness is a sine qua non of civilization.
Etymology. It's derived from Latin word in which sine means without, qua means which, and non means not, without which not, without which something cannot exist, something is not possible. Mnemonic, its etymology gives its best mnemonic, that is without which not. A second way to memorize this word is that when we buy something, the first prerequisite we check is its quality. So we take it as signs of quality or prerequisites. Signs of quality are reasons of non-purchase. For example, we want to buy rice, we will inspect its quality. So quality QUA makes QA, and signs sounds like sine. Signs of quality are prerequisites. Signs of quality are reasons of non-purchase. Thank you very much.